Hi, friends, it's Mrs. McCarver, and it's time for today's reading lesson. This week, we've been reading some nonfiction books, and we've talked about how we can start to read by thinking about what we already know about a topic, and then by paying close attention to learn some new things. But you know what? Sometimes when I see something new in a book, it gives me a lot of questions or makes me wonder even more things. So today I'm going to show you how, when we come to something that makes us wonder or have a question, we can stop and jot on a sticky note or mark that place in our book. I am still working on my What is Wind book, and I've come to a place or two where I'm confused and have some more questions. All right, friends. So I was reading a couple more pages in my book. This is where I ended yesterday. And this page says, wind can be cold. It can make you put on a coat. Wind can be gusty. It can blow your hat off your head. You know what? This is a place where I kind of have a question. So I'm going to mark that with a sticky note. And I'm not sure about this word. I wonder what gusty means. So I'm going to write that word with a question. That's something I wonder. Wind can be fun. It can make a kite fly. Well, I've read my book about wind and I've learned a few new things, but you know what? I still wonder, where does wind come from? So that's something I wonder, and I jotted that down and put that sticky note on my book. All right, friends, so now you've seen me mark some places in my book that I have questions or that I wonder about. I want you, when you're reading a nonfiction book today, to see if you can use the sticky notes that were in your book baggie, or if you just need to use a piece of paper, that's fine too. But place a sticky note somewhere where you have a question or you wonder something. I'm going to listen in when you send me a video after the reading, and I'm going to make a big list of all the questions we have and kind of put it together in case anybody finds out or knows the answer to these questions. We're going to call it a wonder wall.